Hello guys, today I will be talking about componential analysis and sense relation, which includes synonymy, hyponymy, and antonymy. First things first, componential analysis is an approach to the description of word meaning or phrase meaning, which most structural semanticists adopted. It's based on the idea that the sense of a lexeme can be analyzed in terms of general sense components or semantic features. For example, the lexeme man might be said to combine features like plus male plus adult plus human, while the word woman can differ only in one component in the sense that it cannot be defined as plus male but minus male or plus female. So the lexeme woman can combine the following semantic features: minus male plus adult plus a human. The limitation of componential analysis. This approach is said to face some problems since it treats components or semantic features in terms of the binary opposites. This works only when there is a clear distinction, but there is often interdeterminacy between certain words such as tar and porridge in relation to liquids and solid, as Palmer states in 1976. Also, the labels for the components are not always readily available. For instance, words such as come, go, or buy seem to be difficult to be defined in terms of componential analysis because they do not have any physical manifestation. Synonymy. Synonymy refers to the sameness of words or meaning of words. Two words are said to be synonymous if they have the same meaning. For example, decline equals refuse, die equals pass away, and buy and purchase as well. Linguists, however, agree that there is no absolute synonymy. No two words have the exact same meaning. There are different ways by which two synonymous words might differ. The difference might be a matter of dialect. For example, British people say Ottoman, while the Americans say fool. It might be a difference of style. Two words seem to be synonymous, but they might actually differ in terms of the formality of language. For example, shut up is less formal than be quiet. The difference might be a matter of collocations, meaning that some words collocate with certain words but not others. For example, beautiful and handsome may appear to be similar in meaning, but they actually collocate with different words. We say handsome man, but beautiful woman. Hyponymy is defined as the relation between a general lexeme or superordinate and a specific lexeme, subordinate. Take for example the word flower is superordinate because it includes within it other subordinate words like tuple, rose, lily. The lexeme dog is also superordinate and more general, and it includes two subordinate or specific words, namely dog and bitch. For instance, someone may say, is your dog a bitch or a dog? The first dog in the sentence refers to the animal in general, without specifying whether it's male or female, because the speaker here does not know the sex of the animal or the gender of the animal, while the other second dog in the sentence refers to male and bitch to female. And as you can see, the word dog can be both superordinate and subordinate, depending on the context it occurs. Antonymy is used to refer to the oppositeness of meaning. For example, good and bad, big versus small, dead, alive. Worth mentioning, there are two types of antonyms, namely gradable antonyms and non-gradable antonyms. Let's start with non-gradable antonymy. It's the case when we have two words which the contrast between them is absolute. For example, single versus married, dead, alive, male and female. This type of antonymy involves no comparison between words. For instance, we cannot say someone is being more male than you or than someone else, because it basically makes no sense. And gradable antonyms can be described in terms of degrees of the quality involved. For example, we can say I am taller than you, or my son is more intelligent than yours. However, gradable antonyms may involve some implicit comparison. For instance, when someone says, my town is small, the speaker implicitly avers that his town is small comparing to other towns in his country, depending on some norms of how a small or big town looks like.